Now I want to show you something. I was making a bike rack battery video and noticed that one of the packs that I had was starting to get puffy. The battery was brand new but has been in storage for a while, so I took it apart to salvage whatever cells were still good. It's a little bit puffy, I don't know if you can see that. I checked the voltage and it's 2.9. It should be 3.9, so one of these cells inside is damaged, so I'm gonna have to open this pack and take that bad cell off. So here we go. Now you can see the bulge a lot more. Can you see it? Can you see the puffiness here? Look at this side, how flat it is.
Yeah, rotated slow.
See how flat it is? And this side is all puffed up.
Yeah.
But it looks like it could just be the outside cell. Maybe it got hit or something. So I could just have to replace one.
Are these soft?
Yeah, these are just foil packs. Yeah, they're soft, so it just probably got smacked or dropped or something. Yeah, it looks like this one is damaged. But nobody cares. Whoa. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 connected, 1, 2, 3 in a 4 configuration. But, so just to remove this one, I don't have a replacement one, so I'm just gonna take this 4 cell and turn it into a 3 cell. So you can see this better. So these two are connected to each other, so I'll just remove the 2. So we got one good one, one damaged one. And I'll just cut them off. Cut the tape. See this? Just gonna cut the 2 off that are bad. Well, saw some sparks.
I'm sure it is.
No, it's just dust. I thought it was a spark. You can't be too careful when you're dealing with high power battery. There it is. So you can see how flat this is. And then when you look at this one, you can see it's got some damage here.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
This part's all bulged out, so hopefully this part doesn't explode. Looks like there's something hard. This part's all stuffy, but it's supposed to be all thin and nice. So
it's
this
like a melted chocolate bar.
yeah, exactly. But this one is still good. So I might use that for like a phone charger or something.
Salvageable.
take them apart from each other, so which one is the bad one? Cut the bad one off. And we could probably shoot it with the BB gun. See if it blows or anything. Do something fun. Oops, I cut into the... See that? You don't want to cut into the foil. That'll let the magic out. It's kind of hard to cut with all this solder on top. Probably just gonna use a... Maybe I can use this. This one's still good. This one is junk. So let's go shoot it. Let's just see how much it has left. I cut it all the way down to the 10. 2.9, so it's still a good battery. It didn't go underneath where it should be, so it's still chargeable, but it has a little bit of damage, so I just don't want to deal with it anymore. Let's just go shoot it. So here we are at the base of my favorite tree, and this is a pretty nasty looking battery here. Look at that. So look how big it is. It's a big one. Okay. Here we go.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Well, no sparks, ladies and gentlemen.
It's not even hot. Must have been pretty dead. Today's video is brought to you by DC Shoes and also Annie's Homegrown Organic Foods. And to see me talk about my bike rack or the batteries or anything else, go to my YouTube page to see my videos and get some ideas, or visit the website for products or more information on Buzz E-Bike.